So when we were in LA, we ate at a restaurant called 00. It's on Lincoln Boulevard and it's run by a guy called Matthew Kenny. And I can tell you something right now. It is one of the best restaurants we've ever been to, and the food was some of the best food we've ever had, full stop. The pizza was magnificent, the pasta, oh my days. You, if you're ever in Los Angeles, need to go. But if you can't make it, check out how good it is anyway.
Now then, what an incredible day. This place is beautiful. So this morning we went for a workout on Venice Beach. We were doing like calisthenics and rings in the sun, and we've just skated over here on these bad boy things. These things, they're really punchy, you know? They've got good speed.
We've cycled here to go and visit a brand spanking new restaurant which is owned by one of the world's premier vegan chefs, Matthew Kenny. His new joint is called 00.
My name's Freeman Kalina, and we're here at 00 in Venice, California. We are a plant-based pizza place. Everything's plant-based, no soy. Everything's as locally sourced as possible, as organic as possible.
If they've got Polonaise on the menu, you expect it to be extremely good.
Of course, and
is it?
Ours is extremely good.
I am very, very excited about this. This is a pasta bolognese. Now Matthew Kenny is clearly a badass chef. He knows how to make Italian food well, so his bolognese should be really good. Wow, this is high grade food. You've even down to the plant-based parmesan which we've got on top. It's rich, it's decadent, it's smoky, and it's just exactly what you want on a gorgeous summer's day like this.
So pepperoni pizza, here we go. Cashew cheese is really, really creamy. The pizza base is very, very good. It's like really traditional, bang like the Purezza one in London. And that tomato sauce is class. That's really nice pizza. So this is a chopped salad. Now, Matthew Kenny, we know, does marvelous vegan food, so this is not going to be any ordinary salad. Let's see how it tastes. Oh my god. It's got bacony bits, so it's got a nice salty crunch. Really nice creamy ranch. You would never guess it was vegan. Delicious salad. Absolutely beautiful. So this is a big slab of bread, and this is something I've never tried before. Jackfruit hummus. Let's see how this is. You would never guess it was jackfruit. It's almost like a fish pate. That is really cool.
This is the aubergine or eggplant caponata. Wow, oh my goodness, that is an incredible flavour. This has got pine nuts through it. You've got the aubergine is just incredibly soft and gooey, and this flavour is so balanced. It's an incredible dish, my favourite so far.
So that's 00 done. It was absolutely delicious, and the next stop is Venice Canals. We have arrived at this wonderful little Vietnamese restaurant called Pho Ha, and beautifully they have vegetable dishes on the menu, so we're going to order up all the vegetable dishes, get them nyammed, and show you exactly how tasty they are.
This is like a gorgeous pho soup with a mushroom stock. We've got tofu in there, we've got bok choy, we've got broccoli, we've got loads of green. We haven't had enough green healthy food while we've been here. This is a blessing. So here we have a massive plate of noodles. I mean, look how big that is.
It's ridiculous.
That's like proper American size. That's too big for anyone to eat, but I'm gonna try. It's really tasty, it's really fresh, full of the kind of healthy vibes that you're looking for when you've been eating nothing but Beyond Burgers for a few days.
So there you have it. 00, Lincoln Boulevard, Los Angeles, California. That place will sit in our hearts for a long time to come. It's just ridiculous. Listen, if you like this vlog and you like this kind of content and you're enjoying watching Henry and I on our plant-based travels, then please subscribe to the channel because there's loads more videos coming your way. And also, let us know what you thought about this in the comments below. Bish, bash, bosh!